Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials. Today we will be discussing about how to join Wayfair affiliate program. Before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel. Okay, so now you can see the affiliate program in here. So basically the Wayfair affiliate programs is for websites like blogs or buying guides or to promote Wayfair through affiliate links and earn commissions. To simply sign up for that, what you need to do is simply head over to their site. So you can click on this learn more option and then head over to this section where you can sign up for their affiliate program. And once you fill in your basic details, like for example your language, country, it will be asking you a couple of more questions ahead. So nothing difficult. Make sure to provide all the details correctly. Once you do, eventually you will be signed up for their affiliate program and system and earn some bonuses and rewards. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like the video, and share with your friends. You can also head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel. That will be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next one.